In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your Canva design as a PDF on the phone on the Canva app. So what you need to do once you've got the app open is find your design. You can do that by going to projects at the bottom here and finding your project that way, or it might be in your recent designs. I'm going to go ahead and click on my design, which is in the recent designs. So this is a resume I'm going to export as a PDF. To do that, click on the download icon in the top right hand corner, and then that will open up this window where you can go ahead and click download. So click on download, and then you'll be given the option to download as a PDF standard. You might have to change it because it might be on another file type. So go ahead and change it using this arrow and select PDF standard. Then go ahead and click on download. That will then prepare your design to be downloaded. And then when this window opens, you can go ahead and click save to files. This will be on iPhone, by the way. From here, you can choose where you want to save it, click save, and then I'm going to just replace this file. And there you go, you've now downloaded your file and it will be in the files of your phone. To find it, I will just go ahead and swipe down, type in files, and then here it is, the black minimal white CV resume.